Hello viewers, welcome to IT System Admin and Information Technology Learning tutorial channel for you. Today in this tutorial I am going to show you how to fix taskbar is overlapping on Windows 10 computer. Sometimes it becomes very important for you, so don't forget to watch full video. To fix taskbar is overlapping on Windows 10 computer, from your keyboard press Ctrl Shift and Escape. Task Manager will be opened. Now here you will find Windows Explorer. Select Windows Explorer and then in lower right corner you will find a button Restart. Click on Restart. Close Task Manager. Now you need to restart your computer. Click on Start menu. Then click on Power and then click on Restart. After restarting the computer, hope taskbar overlapping problem will be solved on Windows 10 computer. This is all for today. Hope this tutorial is helpful for you. Keep watching for next tutorial. Thank you very much.